Ever wondered how to conquer those majestic peaks that pierce the sky? Aspiring to venture into the world of mountain climbing? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore some essential tips and tricks that every beginner climber needs to know. Firstly, one must always remember, preparation is key. Starting with physical fitness, it's crucial to build up stamina and strength. Engage in regular cardio workouts and strength training exercises weeks before the climb. It's not about being the fastest or the strongest, but being able to sustain the climb without undue strain. Next, let's talk about the importance of proper gear. Investing in high-quality climbing equipment is essential for your safety and comfort. Make sure you have a well-fitting harness, sturdy climbing shoes, and a reliable helmet. Additionally, don't forget to pack essentials like a headlamp, a first aid kit, and enough food and water to last the duration of your climb. Now, let's move on to the mental aspect of climbing. Mountain climbing can be physically demanding, but it's also a mental challenge. Stay focused and maintain a positive mindset throughout the climb. Visualize your success and break the climb into smaller, manageable goals. Remember, every step forward is a step closer to reaching the summit. Another important tip is to learn and practice proper climbing techniques. Take a course or hire a guide to teach you the basics of climbing. Learn how to tie knots, use climbing holds, and belay properly. These skills will not only make your climb safer, but also more enjoyable. Lastly, always respect the mountains and the environment. Leave no trace behind and follow the principles of responsible climbing. Be aware of the local regulations and guidelines, and always prioritize the preservation of nature. So whether you're a beginner climber or an experienced mountaineer, these tips will help you on your journey to conquer the peaks. Remember, climbing is not just about reaching the top, but also about the experiences and lessons learned along the way. So get out there, embrace the challenge, and enjoy the breathtaking beauty of the mountains. Secondly, equip yourself with the right gear. This includes appropriate clothing, a sturdy pair of hiking boots, a good quality backpack, and essential safety equipment. Remember, mountains are unpredictable, weather conditions can change rapidly, and terrains can be tricky, so always ensure you're well prepared. Next, let's talk about climbing techniques. Start with basic skills like maintaining balance, using hands for support, and pacing yourself. It's often not the steepness of the climb that poses a challenge, but the duration. Learn to conserve energy and take frequent breaks. The fourth tip is all about acclimatization. High altitude can result in less oxygen in the air, which can lead to altitude sickness. To avoid this, take the time to acclimatize. Increase your altitude gradually and give your body time to adjust to the new environment. Now, onto navigation. Familiarize yourself with the terrain and route before you start climbing. Use maps and compasses and learn to identify landmarks. This will not only help you stay on track, but also give you a sense of security. The sixth tip is to always climb with a partner or a group. Besides the obvious safety reasons, climbing in a group can also provide moral support and make the experience more enjoyable. Lastly, respect the mountain. Follow the leave no trace principles. Keep your surroundings clean, avoid disturbing wildlife, and respect local customs and regulations. So, to recap, here are the key points we've discussed. 1. Prepare physically and mentally. 1. Equip yourself with the right gear. 1. Learn basic climbing techniques and conserve energy. 1. Acclimatize to high altitudes. 1. Familiarize yourself with the route and use navigation tools. 1. Climb with a partner or a group. 1. Respect the mountain and leave no trace. Remember, mountain climbing is not just about reaching the summit, it's about the journey. It's about immersing oneself in nature, challenging oneself, and coming out stronger. So, gear up, prepare well, and embark on this exhilarating adventure. Here's wishing you a safe and fulfilling climb.